Hi, gentlemen. Just a real quick video to show you what I want you to read over the Thanksgiving weekend. You need to do whatever IXL regarding gerunds you can do. It's not going to be due Monday, but it'll be due sometime next week. And additionally, I'm going to have you read from this thing called the Out of Eden blog. So if we scroll down, we're starting our Exploration and Adventure unit next week. It's called the Out of Eden Walk blog. We're going to click on that. We're going to click again on nationalgeographic.org project. And it'll take you to this web page where this blog this guy has created as he attempts to walk the human diaspora. It's a rather amazing undertaking. His name's Paul Salopek, and if you poke around in this blog, you can get lost because it's very interesting. So what do I want you to read? First of all, this is the home page. Scroll down and read the introduction. It's called Slow Down and Find Humanity. This is a map of where he's walking. He's starting here, finishing here, and currently I think he's around Pakistan, so he's probably up in there somewhere, like right in there. And then I want you to read out chapter 1, Out of Africa. And if you go to the bottom of that page, reading all of this, of course, you'll click on See All Stories from chapter 1. You don't have to read all the stories because there are a lot of them, but I would like you to read the first few. And I'm gonna, while this is loading, I'm gonna pause for a moment. Okay, so it finally came over to this, and you'll always have a map, I think, on the right-hand side, and then you will have articles and things like that on the left. So in addition to those first two things, I want you to read Setting Out. You click on that and it'll take you to the article. And I want you to read A Walk Through Time, which is mostly just a map, a graphic. So if you click on that, it'll take you to where I want you to go. And then I want you to watch the Milestone Hertoburi. I'm sure my pronunciation is appalling. And this is a little video thing. You click Start and you get the gist of it. So again, that is Setting Out. Click on it and read it. The graphic, A Walk Through Time, click on it and read it. And the Milestone Hertoburi, click on it and watch it. That's it. Have a great Thanksgiving, fellas.